Okay, this is on the Routh job, number 55618, install on 1, 7, and 8 by Aaron. So this is a furnace and an AC. Come in the basement door. Furnace is here. It sits on this wood box. We're going to be ripping out this wood box. And this also has a wraparound return air. So I haven't written it yet. But the back of the furnace will be 4 inches off the back wall. We have a 4-inch duct going behind the furnace. And it'll sit 10 inches off this wall. Okay, so furnace will sound on an 18-inch base in the furnace coil and duct just as it shows. That's going to go back 4 inches for a starting collar. The back will not get a starting, or the front will not get a starting collar. But have your cut line from side to side, and then right there. I wrote it on the back too. On your return, it's side to side. And cut line right there, and then cut out the bottom to right there. Let's see if this goes straight. You may have to just, your cut line's right there, so you may have to just bend that 1 inch out to make this work right there on this corner. That should be all right. Yeah. Okay, we have a double stack filter box. Just duct just as it shows. So your duct should be coming out and coming up just right next to this plate right here. I did it 1 inch in, so that's that. Okay, so going behind the furnace, I made you a 4 by 34 duct and a 90 2 end caps, recessed end caps here. And then just cut this hole. So I would cut it more at the top side. You know, do it at the top side so the air has to go up so it's not so loud. Same with this. And just cut it to match, you know, 400 CFM for that one and maybe 300 for that one. Just don't overcut it so it's extra big, you know. Okay, and then on this side there's an existing like 14 by 6 on both of these, back here and then back there. We're going to upsize this one to 24 by 8 baseboard, upsize this one to 30 by 8 baseboard. So you can see that one right there. And that one is just behind this table here. I will tell them to pull stuff out for us. Okay. Okay, so combustion air is okay, it's right there. Your vent, you're going to pick up the B vent. I gave you a 6-inch cap to put in, 6-inch drip cap. Your flues, I figure it'd be easiest just to go straight out the side there. Your air conditioner sits down right there. So if you just go straight, 45 up and out to a flat termination, it'd probably be the best. Some materials I gave you. Gas, so from the caulk you can add 2-inch T drip leg. Your furnace sits all the way up to here now, so then you're going to have a flex 290 and then 12-inch into the furnace. AC. So this is a 4/5 ton. I asked Jason about it. He says we're going to make it a 4-ton AC unless he says different on the scope. I told him to note it on the scope what we're going to do, but that's what he said over the phone. So make that a 4-ton with the dip switches. Flush the 7/8 line set. Give you 12 feet of 7/8 Rubatex, a new big pad. Reuse the existing disconnect. The existing 40 amp breaker in the indoor panel is okay. Pull shielded wire if needed. So you won't need to pull a new wire. They only have 2 wires, so just pull a shielded. Or they say if you just pull 2 wires, that works the same as a shielded. So we have a 2 wire here. If you just pull a regular, another 2 wire, then that should be the same as. Anyway, I'm giving you shielded wire because you may need to pull one for the stat if needed. Drain just to the floor, standard order. Thermostat S40. Power. We use a switch and everything else. So basement, just upsize those 2 return airs in the basement. That's it. I'm going to pause it and just show you the outside condenser. Okay, so this is the condenser. We use the disconnect. Our flues will be coming out up here, somewhere up here. So otherwise, good to go. Thanks.